Hey, welcome to John's Under Construction Guitar Lab. Now we're doing a little quick video today with some, just some chords. All right, because as you've seen in the previous video, we're sort of working on the space here. And hopefully the one after this will be with the new setup, and you're going to love it. Well, I'm definitely going to love it. Anyway, moving right along. Today, we're just going to do something with 4 chords. The 4 chords being D major chord in the 2nd position. You remember this one, because this one's like a little bit rough. All right, it's basically what it is. You getting a shot of my hand in the sheet there? Okay. It's sort of like doing a C chord with these 3 fingers, the 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd, moving it down. Okay, and bar on the 2nd fret. Okay, so you're taking the C, moving it down to the 3rd fret, and the bar on the 2nd fret. All right, that's the D chord we're using. The next chord after that we're using is the B minor chord, the B minor bar. All right. Take a look here. We're getting a good shot of that. All right, you see that the bar goes over the 2nd fret. All right, now the 2nd finger is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. The pinky is on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and the 3rd finger is on the 4th string, 4th fret. Okay, so we could get the look there. Now, with this chord progression we're going to be doing in a few minutes, what it is we're going from D, you see, with the pinky, and then everything stays the same, but the pinky's going to come under the 3rd finger. Okay, so in other words, we got this. Okay, you see? All we're going to do for the B minor, we're just going to move that pinky. Boom, boom. All right, you know the G bar, that's the next chord. All right. And just in case, G bar, all right, or G chord, 3rd position bar, and then the chord after that is exactly the same fingering, but we're moving it down to the 5th fret for the A major chord. All right, all we're going to be doing with this now is 4 beats, each chord, D, B minor, G, and A. All right, here's what's happening. We'll set the metronome. Hope it's plugged in. It's plugged in, but it's moving a little too fast here. Although we can set it at, we could put it up around 100, and we'll count in eighths. So in other words, we're going to be counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so we're getting 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, if that's too fast, because we want to make sure you make those chord changes, just back it down. I have it here at, I'm at 80. Okay, so we're counting the 8th notes at 80, or if it were quarter notes, it would be at 40. Okay, 1, 2, 3, oops, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and D chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and change to the B minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, to the G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and to the A, 2 and 4 and, okay, that's what we want you to do. What's important about this is that using the bar and using this position, we can literally move this position very easily up and down the neck. there's a method to the madness, all right? I know our hand's going to hurt a little bit going through this, but please just try to make that chord change smooth. All downstrokes. All right, that's what we're doing for today. Good luck with this. And again, as I always say, this isn't something that you're going to learn in a week or whatever. This is, an ongoing process that little by little, because later on when you're playing, improves and you're playing much better and you have more continuity, sometimes we don't always need the bar going all the way across. We can go. That's just a little glimpse into the future. Anyway, thank you very much. If you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Okay, and then, as always, any questions, comments below. And again, with this 4 chords that we did, the D, B minor, G, and A, you could play hundreds of doo-wop 1950s type tunes. So, you could nose around and see what's available. I know you have that link for the chords and the names of the songs and stuff like that. So, do a little homework. If you're having a problem, again, comments. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day, and hopefully we'll be through with the construction on the next video.